Good day, everyone. How are you? It's good to see you again. This is Teacher Maricar of EnglishReadingStarter5. Today, we will continue answering the activity from the topic that we've learned from our last video in this book, English Reading Starter 5. This will help you to increase your knowledge about the passage and to widen your vocabulary. So now, let's begin. We will answer another activities related from the passage in Unit 23 entitled Railroad. Are you ready now? Let's begin this first activity, which is word practice. In this part, we will write the meaning of the following words. As you still remember, we already discussed this word railroad from our last video, right? So now, we will find out the meaning of the other 7 words here. First, I'm going to give you time to find the meaning of the following words in your dictionary, and you can write it in your notebook. While you are looking for the definition, I'm going to read those words for you. Then, I will show you the meaning of those words based on its use in the passage. Okay, I will start. Railroad. Travel. Train. Experience. Steal. Hard. Stone. And the last one, century. Alright, are you finished? Now it's time for me to show you its meaning. Let's start with number 2, travel. Go on journey. To go on a journey to a particular place, usually using a form of transportation. Train. Linked railroad cars. A number of railroad cars pulled by a locomotive. Experience. Something that happened to somebody, or an event that somebody is involved in. Steel. Strong alloy of iron and carbon. A strong alloy of iron containing up to 1.5% carbon along with small amounts of other elements such as manganese, chromium, and nickel. Hard. Difficult or awkward. Difficult or awkward to do or achieve. Stone. Hard non-metallic materials. The hard, solid, non-metallic substance that a rock are made of. Century. 100 years. A period of 100 years. Alright, so I hope that you got the same meaning of the words. Now, let's move on to the next part, which is the reading comprehension. In this part, we will test if you understand the passage. We will find out the best answer from the following questions. Let's start with number 1. How old is the history of the steel railroad? 200 years old, 2,200 years old, or 12,000 years old? The answer is yes, letter A, 200 years old. Next, number 2. When did the first railroad appear? 4th century BC, 5th century BC, or 6th century BC? The answer is correct. It's letter C, 6th century BC. Then number 3. Before the railroad appeared, people had to travel by blank. What is the missing word? Is it horse, airplane, or rocket? The answer is yes, letter A, horse. And then number 4. The very first railroad was made with blank in Greece. What is the missing word? Is it wood, stone, or gold? The answer is, you got it. It's letter B, stone. Very good. Now, we can move on to the last part, which is describe the picture. In this part, we will unscramble the words in the box. We can also look at the picture because this picture will be our clue. In this picture, we can see a railroad and a train. Okay, so now what is the answer here? The answer is good. The train runs on the railroad. Right? As you can see on the picture, the train is running. Okay. So I hope that you got all the correct answers here. This is the end of our activity for today. I hope that you enjoy it and you learn a lot. It is fun and exciting to learn English. Again, this is Teacher Mary Carr of EnglishReadingStarter5. See you in our next video. Goodbye.